Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to introduce a fundamental concept in stats known as measure of central tendency. And these measures help us to summarize and understand the central point of a data set. Whenever we analyze the data, one of the first thing we want to understand is the center of our data set. And this central point gives us an idea of what a typical value looks like. Most of the time, statisticians are using the samples that are taken from a set of population. However, when the population are small, like for example, suppose that there is a manager who wanted to know that what is the average weekly sales of the company representatives. If the company had only few salespeople, say only like 80 agents, so he would be able to use all of the representatives of the sale to calculate the data for the all of the representatives. So at this point, we majorly use measures of the central tendency. There are three primary measures of the central tendency that we commonly use, that is mean, median and mode. So this class is totally based on mean. We will discuss about how to calculate the mean of ungrouped data. This is the formula written over here. This mu is representing the mean. The x is basically representing the values of the data, and n is representing the number of the values. And this symbol with x means that we have to find the sum of the values of the x values in the data set basically. So what exactly the mean is? The mean basically shows us the average, and it is a measure of central tendency. It is calculated by summing all of the values in the data set and then dividing by the number of the values. Let's take an example over here. So suppose we have the following data set: 5, 3, 7, 8 and 10. Okay. Now what we will do is, first of all, we will add all of these number together. And the sum of these number is 33. Now next step would be the division. Now what we will do is that we will divide these number by the total sum of the number of the values in our data set. So here we have 5 values. So we divide 33 by 5. This means that the average value of the numbers is 6.6. Basically, mean is providing us the summary of the data and representing the central point around which the values are distributed. Mean is used in various real world contexts. Like for example, we often hear about the average temperature of the city and average income of a population, average score in a test. So understanding a mean help us to make the sense of these kind of data that draw the meaningful conclusions. So now I would like to give you these practice sums, and I want all of you to attempt these. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, so do comment and subscribe for more such content.